code geniuses! Hope you're having an amazing summer enjoying the sunlight at the beach. News here from Formaloo, and let's dive into the great new features launched on Formaloo in June. We've launched 2 new views for your apps, Kanban and Grid. With the Kanban view, you can categorize your data by their status, responsible person, type, or any other option field you've set on your database structure. With a Grid view, you can showcase your data in a gallery of boxes with an image. Just set a file field with image type, and you're ready to build your beautiful gallery. You can now set acceptable answers on your fields. For example, on your email field, set the acceptable answers to restrict the submitted emails.
That's wonderful!
With the new embed field, you can embed links, PDF files, custom videos, and even web pages. The advanced description option helps you add photos, links, videos, and many more elements to your questions. The bulk insert option lets you insert the options of your choice or drop-down fields all at once. Next, create responses right in the app view. There's a plus button at the bottom of your tables and Kanbans, so you can insert data right into them. You can now limit the number of selectable options in multi-choice fields. We've launched a Slack integration so you can publish your data changes in between your team conversations and make sure everyone is updated. And last but not least, Square payment is added to let you collect money through your Square account. And that concludes this June's product update roundup. Make sure to give us a like and subscribe to our channel, and I'll see you soon. Happy formalooing!